In this video, we will discuss how to do multiplication of two matrices in calculator. Calc name is FX991ES plus second edition. You can also do it in first edition, same process. So first give the input values of matrix A to the calculator. Click on mode button. Select matrix 6. Click on mat A 1 and again order of matrix is 3 into 3. So click 1. Input the values of matrices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So matrix A is stored. Now in the same process, give the input values of B matrix to the calculator. Press on mode button. 6 matrix option. Click 2 for mat B. Order of matrix is 3 into 3. So click 1. Input the values of B 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So matrix B is also stored. Now click shift plus 4 because here this is option for matrix. So mat A is third option. So click 3. Multiplication. Again shift plus 4. Mat B. So this is mat A, this is mat B, and we are multiplying both matrices A and B. So the product is, this is the product: 30, 24, 18, 84, 69, 94, 138, 114 and 90.